Casper Gun Show. Got just a few items there. This is a new cranberry and cobalt. And the copperhead. Really good prices on some regular black. We've got the lollipop, copper cobalt, white and black. The moo cow. Some classics, the Sandstorm, the Hellion, and some of our longer range items. .556 and 6mm arc, and some more options of the Sandstorm without the optics. Just some other brand name stuff. And this is our Glocky. If you've looked at our other videos, you've seen that. And that is all I have for you at the Casper Gun Show.